main menu on it. We've got work, tools, info and standby. The main one that you're looking at is the work. This will show us either the vehicles or the protocols. We'll go in through vehicles. Again, we can see the different applications, but you can just go for all applications. Once it's loaded, you can see every vehicle that is covered on here, and we're talking a lot of vehicles. We'll go into Scania. We'll then load the different Scanias. Go our series, and these are all the different Scanias that can be done OBD. Tells us what ECU it is, what family it is, and whether it's CAN or KELA. We're obviously not connected to a vehicle, but we have ID, reading, writing, recovery and tools. Go back to home and we're back at the home screen. With the Genius, once you have actually read your vehicle and you've got, if it's a master tool, you'll go into DS Manager. You'll then want to download the file that it has saved onto your computer. So initially connecting to the computer, now connected, we'll go into files, we'll look at the vehicles that have been read, and there we've got the files that are on the unit. If we want to then send that file to our computer, we just export it. That will then put it into your computer, and there you are. The file's then ready to send to us for modifying. If you've got a slave unit, it's even easier. All you've got, you open different folder, and it is just in and out with the file, and it'll save your file. Once you get your file back from us, then all you're doing then, going back into Explorer, it'll connect, and you want to put that into your right folder. So you got your modified files, and you just import your file. Once you've done that, it will then put it onto the unit, ready for programming. And it's as simple as that, to do your files in and out. That's it. If you've got a slave unit, use the flash point, and it is literally, you press in and out to export and import your files. What you will tend to find is New Genius and TransData have the same applications as KES and KTAG. When you look at it, you'll see that the layout is very much the same. They do use the same developer, so if one protocol comes out on KES, it generally is going to come out on New Genius. Again, if something comes out on KTAG, it generally is going to come out on TransData. But as a standalone tool, and if you're doing trucks and tractors, this is the best tool for you. It's a very stable tool because it doesn't rely on internet for it to actually work. So bad areas doesn't matter. Obviously you have to go to a good area to upload and download your file, but you can do that away from the vehicle. Good solid tool.